everyone. This is Mike Talks Cars Podcast, Season 2, Episode 9. News. In industry news, Ford's market capitalization tops the $100 billion mark, moving Ford ahead of GM for valuation. Wall Street is betting on Ford to do very well as we move into the electric vehicle future here in North America. Ford's F-150 Lightning EV pickup is fueling much of that optimism in Ford stock right now, and we saw an increase in valuation shortly after Ford announced that they'll be doubling the F-150 Lightning production for this year. This is the first time since 2016 that Ford's valuation has exceeded GM's. In new vehicle news, the 2022 GMC Sierra has undergone a significant overhaul. With a fresh new appearance and 2 new trim levels, professional grade just got upgraded. Sierra 1500 Denali Ultimate and the more off-roady AT4X add to the top end of the offerings and bring some higher levels of luxury and technology to the brand. There's an impressive new 13.4-inch center touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster to provide the infotainment, and the already luxurious leather trim also gets an upgrade to an even more luxurious level. There are even new sensors to alert the driver if their trailer exceeds the tow limit for the truck. Sierra's camera system was already best in class, and the addition of the towing sensors just makes it easier to know that you are safe when you use your truck as a truck. The Sierra 1500 AT4X adds some really neat tricks. There's a longer suspension travel for off-road driving, electronic locking differentials front and rear, and my favorite, a single-pedal driving mode for rock crawling and low-speed precision driving. The interior of the AT4X reflects all the luxury and style of what we've come to expect from GMC, with luxurious leather trim and accents that make the truck stand out. This version of the Sierra is not an all-new truck, but it goes way beyond the mid-cycle enhancements that we're used to seeing without a complete redesign. Now for some musings with the trainer. So, we're in an interesting time in the automobile industry. Inventories are low, and there doesn't seem to be a change coming with that anytime soon. Many customers are deciding to hold off on purchasing a new vehicle until things settle down a little bit. Now is a great time to reach out to customers that are delaying their usual trade patterns and offer them a simple solution to all the uncertainty they may be feeling. As you contact these customers, remember that they are the perfect candidates for a factory order for their next vehicle. They might be afraid that they'll pay too much buying from inventory right now, given the news, and you're in a perfect position to show them how they can save some money by ordering exactly what they want and handling the transaction when the vehicle arrives. This can take a lot of worry out of the purchase transaction and helps you keep your customer connected to you and your dealership for this purchase cycle. It can also provide you with a fresh used vehicle for your lot during a time when having good used vehicles to sell can be a challenge. Win-win. This is Mike Little reminding you that, hey, selling is fun. Go have a great day.